Did you know that sometimes the person you least expect can destroy your cheating husband's life? This is Sandra's story. Sandra was divorcing her husband when something shocking happened in court. His pregnant mistress was called as a witness, but nobody expected what came next. She pulled out her phone and told the judge she had been secretly recording their conversations for months. The whole courtroom went silent. As the recordings played, everyone heard the husband confessing to stealing Sandra's credit cards for his mistress's doctor bills. He had forged Sandra's name on loan papers. But the worst part was still coming. The recordings revealed his plan to fake his own death to avoid paying child support to both women. The judge's face turned white with shock. The husband started sweating as he realized these recordings proved he committed serious crimes. His lawyer couldn't help him now. But here's the twist nobody saw coming. The mistress only recorded everything because she discovered he was also cheating on her with Sandra during their reconciliation attempts. Talk about karma.